fans, welcome back to Watson's Models. It is Friday night, and I tried doing one of those little teaser shorts about what I'm going to do tonight. And yeah, so I have, I didn't show you guys this kit yet, but I have the Werk Sd.Kfz 251/1 Ausf.D. Yep, 16 scale. That's cool. And I had mentioned in yesterday's video, I was talking about the Puma, about getting the pack version of this. And I was holding the book like this, showing you, and I was pointing at this one here, not even realizing that the Pack Wagon kit was listed there as one of their future kits. So, yeah, I do have it on pre-order now from Andy's Hobby Headquarters. I did the old PayPal thing where, you know, it's, you know, every couple of weeks a payment comes out for 4 payments, and it's so much easier, you know. That's $38 every pay period, okay? So if you go and buy something like this, just use the PayPal option, break it up into 4 payments, and you're done. All right, so that's what I did. It's on pre-order. I have no idea when it's coming, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this box here, what's in this box. Okay, lots of pieces, parts, and some pretty cool box art. All right, paint schemes and whatnot. So let's check it out. Yeah, you know, it's funny. I was sitting here watching the video that I made yesterday, because when I do these things and I splice them and put them together and all that, I'm usually sitting upstairs with a soda or a smooth libation or something, and I got to thinking, you know, human beings have been designing all kinds of different ways to kill each other for hundreds of years, right? Just amazing. And to continue to modify weapon systems so we could take each other out. Look, I'm not a bleeding heart freaking whatever, man, but, you know, at some point in time we got to quit killing each other and fighting wars all the time. And you know, I've been to one myself, and it is what it is. But having said all that, I mean, the Germans kind of, you know, they kind of designed some pretty cool looking stuff. So I'm not going to crack open the book, but just like the other one from last night, it's just a nice book that has, you know, paint guides and stuff inside of it, decals, and is there photo etch in here? I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to open the bag, because there's a weird looking set of instructions here. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see what that's all about. May as well pull it out. Why not? We'll just pull it out of the bag. Here's the decal sheet. All right, plenty of options, and I wonder if they have a, yeah, there's like a little inventory page of all the sprues, and I'm sorry about the light shining through, but normally in the back they'll have some good painting directions and guides and whatnot, and there are some there. All right, and here. And the crew of this project. All right, there's some information here about the guys who helped put this thing together. That's kind of cool. All right, let's take a peek at what's inside the box. So, as expected, you get lots of gray plastic with lots of wonderful details, okay? And yeah, lots of teeny tiny parts. Right. Obviously part of the hull. And there's some interesting ejector pins there. I don't know if they're going to be visible or if they have to be cut off. But I remember Andy saying something about that when he was doing the build-up on his. All right, I'm assuming that's the front hood. Front tires. Now this is in a Ziploc bag, so you know what I'm going to do? Well, I'll be darned. It does not smell like rubber. I like rubber smelling stuff. Okay, what do we got here? Looks like a radio system. Just a bunch of internals, accessories and whatnot. All right, very cool. Some chassis work, some tub work. And you notice these Das Werk. You got to build up the sidewalls and the front slopes and all that stuff on the tubs. They don't, so far on this scale, with the exception of the Puma, you're having to build up the sides and stuff. So, part of the engine compartment. All right, little cooler fans there, and some other miscellaneous. Looks like some potential front end steering or front end suspension parts and springs. All right, don't know what this is, but there's a lot of pieces parts. I'm assuming that these pivot. This could be drag links and tie rod ends for all I know. It's kind of what they look like. All right, parts of the frame. There's some really, like, okay, here's the linkage and stuff that's in this build. And just look at the tiny, can you see that? They're like little springs in here. They're super, super finely detailed. Crispiness, I love crispiness. You guys know that. I'm all about crispiness. All right. Doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason for these sprues, though. Like, a lot of sprues come all engine parts, all chassis parts, whatever. Just kind of has a blend of what appears to be seats, some hoses, some top deck lids for the hood. So it's a little bit mixed. Here's some clear parts, vision blocks. Okay, looks nice. All right, we got a duplicate set of sprues here. Looks like we got some suspension items. It appears to be, and some other kinds of hinged lids. Potential brake. You know, that's a wheel. Okay, looks like a wheel. Oh, K98s. Love me some German rifles. 2 sprues. So you got 4 rifles in here. All right, and check out the turn down bolt action on those rifles. That is some serious detail work right there. That's cool. Could almost grab that dude and lift it up and pull it back. Slide you an 8mm round inside the chamber. And there's a lot of parts in here. Another duplicate set of sprues, and this has got a couple of schmeizers in it. All right, show you the schmeizer. Can you even see those? I don't even know if I'm doing this good. I apologize. Okay, more pieces, parts. Lots of parts. And these are actually, looks like torsion bars in here, part of the suspension system. Okay. Probably fender related items. Okay, toolboxes. Probably the front window, I would imagine. There's a lot of parts in this. How many parts are in this kit? Steering wheel, engine block. Yeah. This kit is like highly detailed. Road wheels. Okie doke. Multiple pieces. Nice crispy details. Crispiness. I love crispiness. Okay, some more panel type things and access panels. There's an axe. Okay. I'm running out of space to put this stuff. All right. I don't know what that is, but that is what it is. Look at all these freaking track pieces. All right, there's 4 sets of these. Gonna take you some time to build those bad boys. And looks like we got some internal sidewalls and some flooring pieces. Okay, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, you could build that in such a way that it was removable so you could see all the innards, because it is like, whew, it's nice. All right. You don't need to watch me box this back up, but that's it, man. That's the what do you want to call this? German Halftrack. Yeah. I don't know if he has these in stock still, but you can get them. They're out there and they're in production, okay? All right, folks, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. And do me a favor. Please like, subscribe, share the videos with folks. And I really could use the help. And I appreciate you watching. I appreciate those of you who have been part of this since the beginning. Yeah. Okay. Have a good night. Oh, get out there and build something. Paint something. Sand something. Assemble something. Or just get down there and smell some plastic. Yeah.